Hey guys. Hey y'all, so it's me here, Dylan. Just want to give you guys an update. I decided to change the name of the channel for various reasons. It was formerly known as 345 Spirit Channel, but anyone reading that would automatically think it's about spearfishing. So I decided to just change the name to Dillan's World. That way I can show you guys a bit more of my life in general, because I do way more than just spearfishing. I can handline fish, troll, I build boats, I repair boats, in that regard. So I just want to show you guys more of that. I know I promised you guys an update with the Glacier Bay. That's complete. Boat is on the water, caught a lot of fish. I can show you guys some clips with me catching fish on the boat and also the boat on the water. You should see it somewhere here. But anyhow, this is just a quick update, and look forward to some exciting videos in the coming weeks. Thank you for your support. If you guys haven't subscribed, like, share the video please. Thank you.